I'm Aarón Sánchez, and I'm gonna be making for you guys a summer squash quesadilla. One of the questions I get asked all the time is, what's the first thing that I learned how to make? And the first thing I learned how to make, una quesadilla. Here we're gonna start. I have beautiful flour tortillas. We're gonna lay some nice coarse pieces of queso Oaxaca. And then what I'm gonna do here is kind of focus, I think, on some squash blossoms and some zucchini. So I've just simply cut this thin, saute them in a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, very simple, caramelize the outside. And I'm gonna start to distribute these evenly throughout the circumference of the tortilla, making sure to kind of keep everything a little bit centered. I have some beautiful zucchini flowers or squash blossoms. So imagine these beautiful zucchinis growing, and at the end of them, they have these beautiful flowers, and this is what I have here, okay? So I'm gonna layer that down there as well. And then to this, I'm gonna take some beautiful sprigs of cilantro. If you wanted to put some roasted poblano peppers in here, some jalapeno, you wanted to kick it up with some heat, you can do that as well. Put another layer, lightly brush the outside with some oil. I have a nice big cast iron skillet. I'm gonna put it over there to cook for about 5 minutes on one side. Oil the other side of it, just like I did on this side. Cook it for another 5 minutes, and we have a beautiful quesadilla. And the way I like to present my quesadilla is simple. Cut it into fours, just like this. Okay, and serve it like almost like you would a pizza. Put whatever fresh salsa you like. So if you like a roasted tomato salsa, you like some tomatillo with some avocado, go for it. This is your time to have fun. I'm gonna do a roasted tomato chipotle based salsa, and then I'm gonna garnish it with a little bit of cilantro perhaps, some squash blossom, just right on top. Just have fun with it. And right here, this is a pure expression of how I cook, what makes me happy, what fills my soul, what gives me joy in my heart. And the kitchen, la cocina, is all about love.